On Friday, August 22nd, Widener University welcomed all first-year students to a series of workshops focused on artificial intelligence, academic success, and transformation. The goal was simple but important: prepare students to understand and use AI responsibly as they begin their academic journey. The workshops were led by Widener alumnus Dr. Samuel Mormando and a team of 12 specialists from Edvative Learning. Together, they guided students through a full day of learning and discussion. The day began with strategies to strengthen relationships in the age of AI. Students explored how to build meaningful connections with professors and peers, making sure technology supports, not replaces, human relationships. From there, the sessions turned to the good, the bad, and the ugly of AI. Students learned that the good side of AI comes when foundational knowledge and skills are in place.
In those cases, AI can help students expand their thinking, refine their work, and open new possibilities for learning. The bad side is more serious. Research shows that cheating in higher education has increased by nearly 300% since AI tools became widely available. Misuse not only threatens academic integrity, but also limits true learning. And then there is the ugly. AI has the potential to widen the digital divide, not just between schools and communities, but also between students and adults. Access, awareness, and skills all play a role, and those without them risk being left behind. Students then reviewed Widener University's AI policy. The use of AI-generated content is only permissible with the expressed consent of the instructor, and if permitted, requires proper citation.
Using AI without approval or failing to cite it properly constitutes a violation of academic integrity. The workshops also emphasized what appropriate use looks like. Students discussed how AI can be used to get feedback on written drafts, serve as an accessibility tool, create interactive learning games, brainstorm ideas as a thought partner, explain concepts in different ways, and support time management and organization. One of the highlights was the activity Smart Use or Shortcut. Students worked through real-world scenarios and had to decide when AI was being used responsibly and when it crossed the line into misuse. The workshops closed with guided discussions that allowed students to apply what they learned to their own studies at Widener. Throughout the day, students were engaged, thoughtful, and eager to ask questions. They left with a stronger understanding of how to approach AI as a tool for growth and success. Edvative Learning was proud to once again partner with Widener University to prepare students for success in a world shaped by AI.